Mr. Carter, an old man living alone, had just $10 left, his last bit of money. He went to a small bakery to buy bread for the week, but as he was leaving, he noticed a hungry mother and her child sitting outside, shivering in the cold. The woman's eyes showed quiet desperation. Mr. Carter hesitated for a moment, then smiled and handed her the bread, and his last $10. "You need this more than I do," he said softly. That night, he went to bed hungry but peaceful. The next morning, someone knocked on his door. A young man stood there, wearing a delivery uniform. "Sir, are you Mr. Carter? You've just won our community draw, a year's worth of free groceries." The old man was speechless. He hadn't even entered any draw. The young man smiled. "Your kindness yesterday was noticed by someone at the bakery. We wanted to thank you." Tears filled Mr. Carter's eyes. The world had returned his kindness tenfold. Sometimes, faith and kindness bring miracles, not because we expect them, but because the universe remembers love. Heart.